आमकां आमच्या गांवांतल्यान कोळसो पास जाल्लो नाका. डबल ट्रॅकिंग आमकां नाका. हांगा 5 ट्रॅक येवपाचे आहा म्हूण तेणी प्रपोज केला. वी हॅव टेकन ऑलरेडी द रेजोल्युशन नॉट टू हॅव द 5 ट्रॅक्स इन आवर स्टेशन.
If you want, we can send. But thing is the weather. See, when even they extending the railways, I went and asked with them, "Are you have not sent the plans to us? We are not aware of this." They said, "No need. Central, this is a different. There is no need of taking permission." Same thing, Konkan Railways. They build a platform. They build their colonies. That time also we said they are telling there is no need of taking the local because they don't want to pay the taxes. Their tax is different. If now houses and all, we levy tax on them, house tax and all. So they are above the law. Law. Oh, she's telling what that the panchayat is this local body. Yes, we are no doubt. But what are the powers? We should get the sole authority. Now take example Zilla Panchayat. Okay. They were fighting for the power for Zilla. They became Zilla, they became MLAs that they would fight for the first. But till now the powers are given to Zilla. Zilla has no powers. Only what few money they give and then some drainages, roads they do. But otherwise, what are the powers they have given them?
I don't have to repeat. My stand on doubling is well known to the people of Goa. It is not, I firmly believe that the government probably has positive motives for doubling, but because there are reasons for doubling, you cannot destroy the lives of the people. Okay? Now, it is very important to see the proximity of the existing track to the houses. It is hardly 14 meters away. Okay? And now you're coming with the second track. Now, I've been told by very definite authorities, railway authorities in fact, that to lay the second track, you need 14 meters towards, not towards the road, on the other side, 14 meters from the center of the existing track. Now, we marked this and we found out for ourselves visually that the second track, the land required comes within the compounds of the houses. In some cases, in Kasauli itself, the distance measurement of how much? 14 meters from the center of the track comes on the veranda of the houses. So now tell me, will people be able to live in these houses? Definitely not. So all of us will have to leave our houses and go away. Is this development? And if it is, whose development? For
Madam, to the yard येवपाचें आमकां आयकूंक येयला about this 4-5
Let me be very honest, I have not studied about the yard. I don't know much about, all the implications involved. I have to study it. But see, local bodies should not allow people to get excited and get involved because untoward accidents, incidents can occur. Local body has to come into the picture and find out what is happening, find out whether what is happening is as per the law, and take action by taking recourse to various kinds of bodies that are there to help the common man. Like for example, if it is something to do with pollution, the local body, the panchayat, can resort to the pollution control board. So there are different, bodies that will come to your assistance, but we have to have the will.